Hello guys, I want to show you how to bring together Parkour system and inventory system, also cover system. I updated all components for that. First of all, I create new default game animation sample project. We need first plugins folder. After that, if you want, you can use Parkour system as solo, inventory system as solo. Uh, but state manager needed for both components. For cover system, also needed the inventory system and state manager. So let's start. First, I will copy here state manager, and after that I will copy Parkour system. First, I will show how to set up Parkour system solo. After that, I will add other components. After copy folders, open up the project. When you open up the project, click the update button and open up CBP sandbox character and open up ABP sandbox character. We will change to blueprint to set up the components. First, I will add my anim layer, my linked anim graph here. My computer is freeze. Okay, linked graph. You can select here this one. After add this linked graph, you have to add tag here. This is important. Has to be Parkour. You can add Parkour IK graph after offset node. Here also needs tag Parkour IK. After add both of them, go function section and open up the offset rotation mode and add one condition here. If the offset lock curve greater than 0, also offset node mode needs to be return value as release. Now anim graph, anim blueprint is done. After that, we have to change CPP, add both component, one of the state manager, this one, other one, Parkour component, call set moment value on the event tick. We need these values here. To get that, get input action move. We can fit with that here. So we have to change movement condition here. If the state manager can grant move, we will move normally, otherwise we will move with different function. Okay, we will change jump function, needs space here. I will add two function here, one of the inside the Parkour component, call Parkour action here. Just we need this part. We need this part here. So also we can jump if the Parkour action fail. I will call keyboard path here. X Parkour drop. Not this one, sorry. Parkour drop. Yeah. So for now, also we need to change here, update rotation. If the we need also curve value here, get anim instance curve value offset block. If offset block is 0, we will use this, this rotation settings. Otherwise, we will use different rotation settings inside the state manager. Let's try. So we can use clamp system like that. There is no problem. But let's try this one. Yeah, it's working. If you want to use the limited parkour, I changed some settings for that. Let's show you. Open up limited parkour. Limited parkour. Yeah, if the check as true limited parkour variable, you need to add tag inside the all object, all actors. But differently, we have to add tag not actor. We have to add tag inside the component like that. Has to be as parkour. If you are using the limited parkour, if you add the tag, you can climb. Otherwise, you can't do any traversal. So I will uncheck this box for now. Let's add other components. I will copy interaction cover and inventory here. After copy, open up the project. When you open up the project, click the update button again. Open both blueprints because we have to change some settings Again, for this blueprint, one of the for aim settings, we will change camera assets. I think here, this one, we will use ACT camera assets. This for the cover sides. We will change the camera. If you are looking to left, camera will be stay left side. Also, if you trying to climb aim, and if you are aiming the left side, we will look to left side with this camera. We will add interaction system for to take the items. We will add inventory system. If you don't want to add cover system, you don't have to add. It will works. Inventory system as solo. But if you want to add cover system, you can add. So, what we have to change here? We want to update gate when we are covering or when we are aiming. So we will add a branch here. It will come inside the state manager. Can change gate. If we allow the change gate, it will change, otherwise won't. So also we have to add some initialization function here, because we have inventory slots, so we have to define go inventory component and call set initialize. We need just body mesh. If you have child mesh under the mesh component, you will use that child mesh. Otherwise, you can use the mesh component. Example, if you are working with sandbox character mini, you will add many here. So let's add some keyboards. One of the take item from ground, F keyboard. I will use a F keyboard. Item with item came from interaction component. Name closest actor. It will store it with inventory component, store item. So if we have a lot of weapons, we will change that weapons. Keyboard. I will use 4 key for that, because we can holster 4 weapon at the same time, 2 primary, 2 secondary. Let's changing weapon not here. If we pressed 4 slot 4 is 3 slot 3 2 2 1 1. Okay. Next thing, we will change strafe settings. We don't want strafe as default. you we will get strafe when we are aiming. Okay, I will change aim function here. It will come from set once aim inside the here. Okay. Also, I want to change crouch function. I won't use this one. Let's try this one. Okay, it will come from here. So what we have to change, we will add fire button, left mouse button. It will come from state manager because when we are trying to fire, it will try to fire, not fire, attack, I think. Set once attack for that. If the pressed button, it wants to attack, it release it will be false. Other settings for reloading, RK. This one, it will come from inventory system, reload, network. Let me check if it is true. Yeah, this one. Okay. So that's okay for now. Also, we have different linked graph for that. You don't need to use this part because it will come from the inside that linked graph. Add linked graph here, linked type graph. Um, yeah, overlay this one. So needs to tag as overlay. After that, go open up overlay graph. Go item slot manager. You will see that slots needs second slot, second group. Sorry for that. Needs second group because sometimes when we are using the default slot, we can change the weapons. So because of that, we have to separate. I will create new group as layer. I will change slot groups. Sometimes when I do that, engine crashed. I hope it is not for now. Let me try. Okay, it won't crash. So let's try. So I will drag my weapons on the word. Open up weapon folders. And blueprint, actor, go child, and firearms weapon. Just drag this blueprint on the word. I will add 5 because I have 5 weapon. Just we have to add data asset for that. After that, weapons show up. Pistol, revolver, and SMG. So when I press F, I'm taking the gun. I have also weapon icon and ammo count. I take 4 weapon. If I try this weapon, one of the primary weapon will be go backpack, and we will use 2 primary weapon. Let me check. Firing is working. When I sprint, when I try to aim, character try wall. Okay. Let's try other. Changing is also working. Let's check the climb aim. It's working. Reloading. Also, we can change sidearms. It's working also. So this is the problem. You will see that when I try this. Sorry. How can I show it? Look at that. This problem coming from here. Let me show you this part. If this one is this one is -1, it will character wants to try to turn immediately after the climb. So if you want to prevent that, you can change as 500. So this problem will be gone. Show you. You can see that. So other things, we will add cover system. We can't cover now because we didn't add cover button, and also we didn't add the cover actor. So also I will add one keyboard. Okay, so cover, find cover wall. Yeah, this one. Okay. Now we have to add cover actor inside the word. Go blueprint, go actor, go cover actor. Just drag the word, change rotation here. Not this one, sorry, my bad. Yeah, like that. You don't have to add scale, just this problem. Sorry, my bad. Here needs to be 1. Click this one and drag like that. If you want to close adjustment, you can close this icon. Now when I try the Q button, my character is trying to cover, but one problem also. You can see that if we are look at the left side, character sometimes trying to turn back. To fix that, open up mirror data. It's mirror data, this one. Just click this one and uncheck this button. So it won't be a problem now. Okay. Let's check with weapon. It's also working. Also we can traversal, we can cover, we can shoot, we can fire, reload, changing weapon. So that's it, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.